So people look funny at the camera. Vamos a chocar. So this is more piñatas over here. See, everybody makes piñatas here, everywhere. Look at that, guys. Piñatas everywhere. That's a beautiful one also. Hola, señor. Buenas tardes, sí. Okay, guys, I have to go fast because there's music here. So we'll see what happens. So, this is it, guys. Look, walking on the sidewalk of the market is called Pino Suarez. And this is Villahermosa, Tabasco, Mexico. And everybody else, it's almost 4 o'clock. That's why the market is very quiet. There's almost no one here. And we'll see if we come back in the morning, maybe probably in the morning, so that we can vlog and do a little bit more when there's more people and more stuff to do. Like I said before, this is it's late already for Mexico or any Central American or Hispanic speaking countries, markets, and I guess everywhere in the world also. People come really early, so maybe you will be able to see some more stuff, maybe fish or chicken or meats or something that is unique. They have here the peje lagarto. It's a very unique fish, and it has lots of bones actually. And look over there. ¿Qué es esto? Una bodega. Una bodega. Ah, here they have like a warehouse. Bodega in inglés is warehouse. And then they sell, I guess, some bulks. Este es de la misma tienda, ¿va? Ah, porque no hay espacio. Okay, so here they have this one because it's part of this other store over here. But they said that they will be, because it has no space, that's why they have this here. And this is the delivery truck over here, delivering stuff. They are doing it because right now there's almost no traffic, so they're taking advantage of it. And see, that's the market over there. See, it's very colorful actually. You can see there, very colorful over there. Look, can you see the colors? They even have stairs, electric stairs going upstairs, and they have elevators also. And then they have the piñatas over there. And it looks like it's going to rain also, see? It looks like it's going to rain. So guys, I am Pino Suarez in Villahermosa, Tabasco, Mexico. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos. I will really love to get big here in Tabasco. I gained so many subscribers already, and people have been watching my videos, so please watch my videos, okay? Por favor, no dejen de ver mis videos y póngale un like, suscríbanse y vamos a crecer, ok? Gracias. Hola, ¿reparando su carro?
Sí, estamos.
Ay, ¿qué le pasó?
Se calentó tantito, pero
se calentó. Ay, como buen tabasqueño el carro, sí, también. Claro. I sound like a good tabasqueño, the sí, car got hot. Sí. Oh my gosh, bueno, tabasqueño. Pues sí, espero que... Muy tarde. Dale. Sí, gracias, hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego, gracias. ¿Y cómo se llama usted?
Fernando Martínez Vera.
Fernando Martínez Vera. Muy bien. This is the guy that's fixing his car that got really hot, just like in Tabasco. ¿Y usted?
Emanuel Alejandro Vera.
Emanuel Alejandro
Vera.
Ajá, todos son familias, su hijo. Ah, ¿y usted?
Sobrino.
Beatriz Adriana.
¿También? ¿Hija también? ¿No?
Él es mi esposo.
Ok, perfecto, muy bien. Wow. ¿Y vienen a Pino Suárez a comprar o?
Es una compra.
Ah, pero a esta hora está más callado, por eso vienen a esta hora.
Más tranquilo.
Sí, en la mañana ¿cómo están viendo?
¿Está poniendo en inglés también?
Sí, I forgot. They're saying that they come at this time at Pino Suarez because there's not much going on at this time. Right now it's almost 4, it's las 4, huh?
Sí.
So that's when they come here. And because otherwise in the morning it's almost impossible to cross here.
Ah, sí.
Imposible, ¿verdad?
Sí,
Para
sí,
pasar
claro,
aquí. ¿Y qué vienen a comprar para la casa o para tienda?
Para la tienda.
Ah, tienda, tiene tienda. Ah, they said they have a store, that's why
Sí,
they come
claro.
and buy in big. That's why they have a pickup, miren. Ah, sí, tienen un montón aquí. See here, guys. ¿Y ustedes lo cuidan? Ah, muy bien, tiene seguridad. ¿Y dónde está el arma? I said they have a security here, two beautiful ladies, and hopefully no one gets nothing they steal from them. So they have to take care of everything, okay, guys? So you know. And here we are in Pino Suarez, in Villahermosa, Tabasco, Mexico.
Sí, yo fui. No, ya fui.
So guys, this is it. Bye bye.